Hill, check it. Check it out, turn around it behind me. So we're getting to the lake. There it is. I remember the first time, ow, fly bit me. Yeah, here's the hill we walked down. It took us about 35 minutes. All right, back up the lake. Some beautiful sumac here. Can be used as a spice. A little lemony. Alright. Gotta catch up to him. Alright, there we go. Time to get some fish. Jim, see the trail up there?
I see it, Dave. Dave, let's get to the lake. Show my catfish first.
Yeah, Jim, we're gonna get more than that here though. Here we are.
Dave woke me up. He said I didn't have to paddle up the hills.
You took it easy, man. Hope you got enough strength for bringing that anchor in. Alright. Oh, Jim, check it out.
I see it, Dave.
Oh, man. Looks like some of the pads grew back, Lou. Some of the pads grew back. You gotta put beavers in here. Oh man, that thing is blowing out of there. It's been about 4 or 5 years since I've been here. Oh man. Let's see, we got, oh, look at these little bass. Look at all the little bass in here. Oh, they had a good hatch. Oh man, look at these little baby largemouths. Loaded with largemouths. They are plump too. Alright, this place, I used to get 2-foot long largemouths out of here. Let's see what we're gonna get to. Oh, look at all these bass down here. All these young bass down in here. So we got another half a lake upstream. Stay back, Jim. Let's see, we got mint. Check it out. Gotta go hide the gear.